It's coming. Oh, it is surely coming. It is flying through space, and it is headed our way. It is an asteroid, a huge rock that will pass by us tomorrow. Scientists at the American Space Agency, NASA, are calling it 2012 DA-14. They say it is about 45 meters across. Asteroids fly by the Earth all the time, but this one is special. It will come closer than even our orbiting weather and communications satellites. As it speeds by Earth, it will be only 28,000 kilometers away. If you live in Europe, Asia, or Africa, you may be able to see it if you have binoculars or a telescope. When 2012 DA-14 zooms by, it will be traveling nearly 8 kilometers per second. That is 10 times faster than a bullet shot from a gun. So you are probably wondering, wait a minute, is this thing dangerous? Could it hit us? Is this the big one? Is life as we know it on Earth about to come to an end, like in the movies?
The close approach of this object 2012 DA-14 on February 15th is nothing to worry about. Its orbit is very well known. We know exactly where it's going to go, and it cannot hit the Earth.
Whew. Well, I'm glad to hear that. He ought to know. He is Don Yeomans, head of NASA's Near-Earth Objects Office. He says much larger space rocks have crashed into our planet millions of years ago and caused terrible damage. About 100 years ago, an asteroid exploded over a forest in eastern Siberia, and trees for many kilometers were knocked flat. It was a mess. But this time, enjoy the view, and don't worry.